Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video here from Nordic Anglers. Today I have met up with my really good friend Andreas, who is the... Andreas, what is your job?
Yeah, I am the sales representative for Shimano and also for G.LOOMIS in Denmark.
Yeah, so today we're gonna talk about, not Shimano because basically we're a fly-only shop, but of course talk about the G.LOOMIS rods. And in particular today we're gonna talk about this one. This is the top of the line, the pinnacle and the flagship of Loomis. This is the Asquith. This is a rod that I've been using quite a lot, especially in the past couple of days. Mm-hmm. You brought a lot of rods for this trip, so I've really had time to test this out thoroughly, and I'm really impressed. The Asquith here is an awesome rod, and there is a story behind what exactly makes this rod stand out from a lot of the other rods, right?
Of course, there is a very special technology that they've been using in the rod, and the reason why that is also a kind of Shimano rod is because that they have used the Shimano Spiral X technology that Shimano have developed in Japan, and it will also it's a way to make this.
The blanks.
The blanks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What I notice about the blanks here, if you look at the Asquith compared to other similar two-handed rods, is the blank here is quite a lot lighter, mm-hmm. and it's also not as thick. So you get a really light, really slim rod that still has that big casting potential. I must say I have fallen quite a lot in love with this one. This is the 13.6 8 weight, and I'm fairly sure I'm gonna own one of these. What we see at Nordic Anglers is that this past year the Asquith has fast become our most sold high-end two-handed rod, mm-hmm. And this has really been quite amazing how many of these rods we actually sell, because as soon as people, what I see the tendency is that as soon as people try these, mm-hmm. then they just have to own them. Because I was talking to a colleague of mine who hosts a lot of trip to Norway, and he has changed all his rods to the Asquith, and on the banks whenever some of the clients there, they go fishing with him and they try them out, what he experiences and what the customers experience is that no matter if you are completely new to this two-handed fishing or you've been in the game for quite a long time, this rod outperforms quite a lot of other rods. So even for the beginner, this is a really nice option. But also if you are hardcore two-handed rodder, you will experience that the Asquith here really is an amazing rod that absolutely performs amazingly. I'm not the greatest of two-handed casters myself, but I must say that whatever situation I have encountered, this one gets the job done. Even here in Denmark, we have a lot of wind here out here west, and this and with big flies and heavy flies and stuff, this just performs.
I've seen your cast the last days here, and I think it has looked very amazing.
No.
I think so.
Yeah. I can get the fly where it's needed most times, but I've seen quite a lot of fishermen who are way better than I am, but I get by.
But that's also what this rod is. It's a fishing rod.
Yeah,
it's a rod for fishing. It has sole, and it have, you will get a very good experience with it, because it's not a casting competition rod in that way. If you want it to be, it can be, but it also have this deep sole a rod can have, and I actually think it's a very nice blank.
Yeah, and it's fairly easy to just pick this up and then start casting.
Yes.
It's not required to have any, as I said, any level of expertise. Basically, this is a really awesome rod if you're a beginner, or even if you're, as I said, hardcore salmon fisherman. So the Asquith is also available in one-handed models, from 3 weight up until 12, I think.
Yeah.
I've fished with both the 5 weight and the 6, 7, and 8 weight, and the 3 lowest classes, the 3 to the 5, has been mounted like this. So it has the half wheels handle, and from 7 and up it has the full wheels handle, and it's probably designed a bit more for the saltwater fishing. We've sold quite a lot of the 7 and the 8 weights as well, and I've tried those on several occasions, and I must say they are really excellent rods as well. That's the 5 weight, but you have the 7 weight for the coast, right?
Yes, I have the 7 weight for the coast, and I'm very happy for it. I have also been using the 12 weight for GT fishing on the Maldives, also to try to use this spiral X to see how strong it was.
Yeah.
It worked out pretty good, and I was very happy.
Yeah, because those GTs, they will test your gear.
Yeah, they will. But the rod was good, and I could actually make some extra pressure on the fish that I have not been doing before. So it was very funny to try. Of course, it's a little thing on this big pressure, but there is a difference. There is a difference.
So overall, the Asquith, we're very excited, very happy to be able to present these at Nordic Anglers. And if ever you need any one of these, then we will be sure to have them in stock. So swing by.